Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create contemporary style kitchen, but we will make it more timeless by using natural materials like wood and marble. You can create a kitchen by using ready-to-go cabinets from our kitchen catalog, or in 3D, you can use Create New Product tool. Check our other videos on how to use Create New Product step by step. My kitchen is ready. Now it's time to apply textures. You can use textures from our catalog, but you can also upload your own. I will upload a marble texture that I would like to use in this kitchen. Remember that only PNG or JPEG file formats are allowed. When applying texture, remember that you can work with texture size, number of tiles, you can do horizontal and vertical offsets, and you can also rotate the texture. If you want the same texture on more surfaces, use the Copy Texture tool. Click on Texture Material, the texture that you want to copy, and now move it to other surfaces. I will choose a wooden texture from a catalog to apply it on my cabinets. And again, we'll use Copy Texture tool to apply the same texture to the rest of the cabinets. I will also apply different texture on the walls. Now it's time to add some accessories. Tap for the sink and induction hob. For kitchen accessories, you can access our kitchen catalog or go to Main Catalog and click on Staging. Go to Decorative Accessories or simply type in what you're looking for. Now it's time for lights. Choose lights that match the style that you've chosen. And remember that lights are a very important part of interior design. They should complement the space. When we have everything done, it's time for a render. Set your angle. You can crop your render if you want to. Click on Lighting. Select if your lights are on or off. For nice bright renders, set interior lighting or medium or even high. You can rotate the sun to create nice shadows. Get a preview to see if you're happy with all the settings. If you're happy, click on Take a Render. And that's how our contemporary wood and marble kitchen looks like after rendering. Thank you for watching and see you next time.